8 painful mistakes people make when starting a business. The idea of starting one's own business is often coupled with either excitement or trepidation. Startup entrepreneurs perpetually ask a lot of "what if" questions in their minds. What if I fail? What if I succeed? What if the market changes? Whether you're starting as a sole proprietor or incorporating a private limited or partnership, there's always room for everyone to succeed, even for first-time entrepreneurs, if you incorporate your business in Singapore the right way. In this video, we've rounded up 8 painful mistakes most people make when starting a business. Mistake number 1. Thinking that a good idea is good business idea. All businesses start with an idea. But not because an idea is good means it's likely to succeed as a business. When good ideas respond to a timely demand, a disruptive innovation takes form. Don't just jump into the water with it. Test it against market demands, timing, pricing, competition, and see if it would ride the waves of opportunity for you. Mistake number 2. Cutting the employment line to jump into entrepreneurship. Should you leave your day job to focus on your new occupation as entrepreneur? The clear answer is yes, by all means. Starting a business could entail rigorous 80-hour work weeks. If you want to succeed, you should devote all the TLC, that is, tender loving care, your new company deserves as much as you would give a newborn baby. We suggest a careful balance that will ease you into the transition from becoming an employee to becoming your own boss. Mistake number 3. Not hiring a company registration firm from the beginning. Many entrepreneurs run into the pitfall of not hiring a professional corporate services firm upon inception. They think they would save money by doing things on their own instead of paying a service provider. This is wrong for so many reasons, and we've listed the obvious ones. Professional firms offering incorporation services cut down the costs of time and money that a new entrepreneur would have spent by doing things on his or her own. Mistake number 4. Incorporating the wrong type of business. Are you registering a sole proprietorship or a private limited company? Do you have taxable products for sale? Or can you operate tax-exempt? The Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority of Singapore, ACRA, provides essential information on the business structures which you need to know about before deciding to set up shop. It is important that you choose the correct structure to avoid tax compliance issues in the long term. Mistake number 5. Not knowing that certain businesses could be tax-exempt. Singapore has consistently ranked in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business survey for the past years. And it's not just the infrastructure that makes it easy to do business in Singapore. It's also because the government through the Inland Revenue Authority offers tax reliefs for qualified startups. Mistake number 6. Starting big with costs. Do you really have to rent a space to start selling your products or offering your services? Or can you attract customers using free online platforms? A lot of entrepreneurs make their millions by starting with minimum spending. What's important is for you to know where to put your money. For instance, one first-time entrepreneur would save money by doing his own books of accounts, when that takes away so much of his time for business development. Outsourcing to professional corporate secretarial and accounting firms makes an entrepreneur's job a lot easier and ensures compliance as well. Mistake number 7. Not giving importance to compliance. Your negligence to comply with statutory reporting requirements today will have far-reaching negative damages for your business tomorrow. Make sure to keep a straightforward relationship with government authorities in terms of tax payments and other reporting requirements from inception. Mistake number 8. Thinking about profit and profit only. Ever heard about sustainability? It's the idea of not taking more from the planet than what you could give back. Most big multinational companies, like Unilever, incorporate sustainability in their operations by adopting zero waste to landfill practices across many of their production facilities. Successful businesses consider their environmental and governance impacts and strive for sustainability in their operations. There you have it, a list of 8 painful yet common mistakes people make when setting up their own business. Robert Kiyosaki said that entrepreneurs must have the courage to fail. But why fail when you can learn from others' failures and chart your course differently? Looking to incorporate a business in Singapore? Engage Corporate Services Singapore for a hassle-free and fast business registration.